Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to solve the problem of your ad being rejected. As you can see here, ad can't run, update ad. And you may also see something like rejected when you go to the ad set level, or you see ad set errors. You may see ad set errors or ad errors. Yeah. So if you see it, I want to show you so that you know exactly the cause of the problem. For this one, for example, Facebook is saying ad can run, ads must not promote the sale or use of adult products or services. Ads promoting sexual and reproductive health products or services, such as contraception and family planning, must be targeted to people aged 18 and older and must not focus on sexual pleasure. So the long and short of it is that sexual enhancement drugs are not allowed on Facebook. And there are several other products that are not allowed. So in order to know exactly the problem you are facing and how to get it resolved, you click on this, open it in a new tab. So this is the details of that particular policy they are saying. So if you come here, we can read what we can promote here, what the do's, these are the do's and the don'ts. What you may not be allowed here is promote a product or service that focus on sexual pleasure or enhancement. So sexual enhancement products such as sex toys or sexual enhancement product contain content that focus on sexual pleasure or enhancement. Then what we can rather promote is promote sexual and reproductive health or wellness as long as the focus is on health and not sexual pleasure or enhancement, and they target people up to 18 or above. This includes ads for birth and control products. Birth control products, including condoms, family planning, products addressing the effects of menopause, erectile dysfunction products, pain relief during sex, and prevention of premature ejaculation, reproductive health products, and all that. Promote sex education. This one, for example, prevention of premature ejaculation, is even controversial. There are adverts about that, and they have rejected it in some cases. So what is the difference between ads preventing immature ejaculation and then here ad promoting sexual pleasure? You see, premature ejaculation, you can't separate it from what do you call it, sexual pleasure. You see, yeah. So, but most of the time you have to just be careful. If it is something about sexual enhancement, you may have a problem. Now, your policy that you have violated could be different. So, if you come here, you can just click on. You can open here. This is the one that you can see all the policies. The one I just clicked is about all Facebook advertising standard or Facebook policies, advertising policies. This is an overview. You can come here and check everything to make sure that whatever you are promoting is in line with what Facebook accepts. So I will advise you to take time and then read all of the Facebook policies in detail. We have deceptive content, unacceptable business practices, cheating and deceitful practices. If you read here, you will see all that, unrealistic outcomes. And then, for example, if you come to the cheating and deceitful practices, for example, ads may not promote products or services that are designed to enable people to engage in cheating or deceitful practices. Unacceptable business practices. Ads must not promote products or services, schemes, or offers using deceptive and misleading practices, including the means to scam people out of money or personal information. You have to take notice. So those of you who may be running advert, but you don't have a clear information about what people are going to do to make money, and you promise people that they are going to get money, you have to be careful because Facebook will not accept it. Ads circumventing system. Ads must not use tactics that are intended to circumvent our ad review process. That include techniques that attempt to disguise the ad content or destination page. They will not accept it. prohibited financial products and services. Ads must not promote financial products and services that are frequently associated with misleading or deceptive promotional practices, spyware or malware. Non-existent functionality. Ads must not promote products with or images with non-existent functionality. For this one, those who will go and take a screenshot and you will not crop it well, and maybe there is a forward or a backward button on it, or like a like button or something on it that is not actually functional. If there is a like button on the image, if you click, it's not going to actually, if you click it, you can't like it. And so people must take time to understand all these. If you are using an image, make sure that there is no non-existent button on it. Then intellectual property. This is also a policy that most people violate. For example, if you are selling goods from China, especially, or let's say products that are not original, you know, most of the time, some of the Chinese products or products from China, they will just go and do a copycat of the original. They will, for example, Gucci, Adidas, Nike, all their products we buy from China, most of them are not original. So what Facebook will do is, if the system detects through the copyright or the trademarks, and they know that this is not the original, they will flag it, or they will disable it, or they will reject the advert. And you may have to, if you continue repeatedly violating it, you will have a problem. Now, if you come to my advert, for example, this is the post I am using. This is the post. This is the post I'm using in the advert. So what they are talking about, what they are simply saying is, we cannot, they don't accept this product because this is a sexual enhancement product that is to help men who want to have it stronger and longer. Unfortunately, they are saying that they don't approve this. So we have to remove it. So how are we solving it? So what I have done is that I have reposted whatever I'm selling, and I've removed that picture they are saying they don't like. So it is this one. So I'm coming back to my ad, then to edit the ad creative. I was using an existing post. So you just come back to the ad level, click on change existing post. I'm changing it. Yeah. So I have changed it. Now that particular product they don't like is no more there. So you now click. I'm now just going to publish it. So when I publish it, this one is definitely going to be approved, because what they didn't want me to do is what I have removed. The one they didn't really want is what I have just removed. It's going to be in review and will definitely be approved. Now, if you follow this procedure and your advert is still getting rejected repeatedly, don't worry. Leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp link to WhatsApp us. You can follow our website link to book, to check one of our, we have several offers on our website, training on how to set up ads and make sure that they follow Facebook policies and running effective ads campaigns. We will help you. Check the link in the description, okay? We will be able to, if you contact us, you can book for us on Zoom to look at your problem in detail and to help you get a solution. Thank you, and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more powerful videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.